Hey guys, Tempe Kickers are here. Another video. I haven't made one in a while because I'm sick, but well, there was tornadoes around us earlier, and look at this storm. I mean, it's a little wet in this. I mean, it's kind of hard to see out here. It's almost like I didn't get any sleep all night because I didn't go to sleep. But it's actually, ooh, I don't want to get too close. Did you see that lightning? I can't go out there because my phone ain't waterproof. See the thunder. Those tornadoes in Navarro were they have in some parts of Huntsville. So yeah. I'm gonna record it until more lightning comes. It's hard to hear the rain, but there's a lot of it. There's a little tiny water pool. It's pretty deep, not that deep. It's pretty cool looking. It's hard to see because in the carpool it's hard to see. So yeah. I just keep filming like this so you guys can see. Let me change hands real quick. So yeah. Not any more lightning that much. So yeah. I'm still sick though. That's sick. I'm getting thirsty a lot too. Oh, that's just a car driving through the water. The road is wet. So yeah. Like, subscribe, and bye.